In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you in Pakistan International School Type Virtual Learning System. This is grade 1, third term, and this is mathematics class. Today, we will do page number 138 of the book and also counting in numbers from 701 to 715 and also revision of the table of 8. So let us start. This is the worksheet and this is the page number 138. Worksheet means you have done this type of questions in the previous videos. So here the revision of those questions. So question number 1, write the missing numbers to make 70 and 100. So you can say this is the practice of in part A and B. This is the practice of uh, subtraction and also the addition. So look this one in the left side, 70. So there are in the first two numbers are given 20 plus 50. The 20 plus 50 is equal to 70. So it means these two numbers make 70. Okay. So in the next, the one number is given and we will try to find the second number, and it is very easy to find it. Just subtract 70 minus 45. So one number is answer is given, one number is given, so you subtract the that number from the answer, you can find the second number. Okay, one example I give for you and others you will do yourself in your notebook. First you will do in your notebook and then write the answer here. So look, this is 70 minus 45. This is 0. So 0 is the smaller than 5. So I will take 1 from the 7. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And now 7 reduce. And now it is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So 70 minus 45. Answer is 25. And we will write here 25. Okay. So again we will check. We plus 25 plus 45. So answer should be 70. So 5 plus 5, 10. And 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So this is the double check that you can confirm your answer. Okay. What will you, first you will subtract the first one given number from the 70 in every question. Okay. In every blanks, what will you do? You subtract the given number from the 70. So next we will do 70 minus 30. So say 0 minus 0, 0, and 7 minus 3, 4. So here you write 40. Okay. So 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. So we will write here 40. Again we plus here 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Next 18 plus dash. So what will you write here in 70 minus 18? 17 minus 18, the answer is 52. What is the answer? 17 minus 50, 52. Okay. You cannot do like me, but you will do like this example. Okay. Like this, every question you write 70 and subtract the given number. So again add 8 plus 2, 10. 1 will go to add into the 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Mean 52 plus 18 is equal to 70. This is 25 plus 70. So 70 minus 25, the answer is 45. Okay, 70 minus 25, what is the answer? 45. So it means the second number is 45. So when we add 25 plus 45, the answer will come 70. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And this is very easy. 1 plus dash. So 70 minus 1. So 70 minus 1, 69. Okay, 1 plus 69, answer is 70. In this way, you can uh, complete these blanks, and you can say this is the practice of addition and as well as subtraction. B part, the total is 100. So we will add these two numbers to make 100. So first one is given 50 plus 50, 100. 90 plus dash. So again, we will do the same practice. 100, because total is given. So 100 minus 90. Again, I will write here 100 minus 90. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 9, 1. So what is the answer? 10. So we write here 10. So 10, 90 plus 10, 100. 90 plus 10, 100. Okay. Next, 25 plus dash. Again, 100 minus 25. When you will do, the answer will come 75. You will do like this method and do in your notebook first and then write the answer. 25 plus 70. So what will you do? 700 minus 25. So answer will come 75 and you will write 75 here. Again, you can check in. Now you will add these two numbers, 25 plus 75. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 will go to add into tens. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 100. 60. So 100 minus 60. When you subtract 60 from 100, answer will come 40 and you will write here 40. Now add 0 plus 0, 0 and 6 plus 4, 10. 100 again come. Okay. Dash plus 52. So 100 minus 52. When you subtract 52 minus from 100, the answer will come 48. Okay. So again add 8 plus 2, 10. 1 add into next. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. Again come 100. Dash plus 69. Again, what you will do? 100 minus 69. 100 minus 69. The answer will come 31. So again add 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So 100 again come. Okay, boys. So in this way, you will complete the blanks. Color to match the pairs with the same answer. Okay, you will color those which have the same answer, but we have no answer. So first you will add these one. 10 plus 14. So I told you many times that when we add or subtract, we start from the right side. So 0 plus 4, 4, and 1 plus 1, 2. So what is that? Come here, 24. Mean 10 plus 14, 24. B, 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. So 56. What is the answer? 56. Mean 30 plus 26. Answer is 26. C part. 18 plus 6. After 18 count 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what is the answer? 24. Next, D part. 16 plus 40. 6 plus 0, 6. And 4 plus 1, 5. Mean answer 55. Okay, 16 plus 40. What is the answer? 56. 15 plus 5. After 15 count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is the answer? 20. 12 plus 8. After 12 count 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What is the answer? 20. Now look this one. This is 24. This is 24 answer. This A and C the same answer. B and D are the same answer. And E and F the same answer. Okay. I just circle with the same answer, but you color. You can color. Look, see A part. I okay. Look, A and C same color. A and C same color. That is blue. You can use any color, but you color these uh, box. Okay. Then B and D same answer, and I use the same color for B and D. Okay, red color. And E. and F the same answer, and this I use the same answer. These are purple. Okay, you use any color but same color for the same answer. Okay, here A and C same, B and D same, and E and F same. Okay, understood? Very good. Next, counting in numbers from 701 and to 750. We have done from 600 to 700. Now we start from 700 to up to 750. This is very easy. 701, 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709, 710, 710, 711, 712, 713, 714, 715, 716, 717, 718, 719, 720, 721, 722, 723, 724, 725, 726, 727, 728, 729, 730, 731, 732, 733, 734, 735, 736, 737, 738, 739, 740, 741, 742, 743, 744, 745, 746, 747, 748, 749, 750. Okay, now read with me. 701, 701, 702, 702. Read with me. 703, 703, 704, 704, 705, 705, 706, 706, 707, 707, 708, 708, 709, 709, 710, 710, 711, 711, 712, 712, 713, 713, 714, 714, 715, 715, 716, 716, 717, 717, 718, 718, 719, 719, 720, 720, 721, 721, 722, 722, 723, 723, 724, 724, 725, 725, 726, 726, 727, 727, 728, 728, 729, 729, 730, 730, 731, 731, 732, 732, 733, 733, 734, 734, 735, 735, 736, 736, 737, 737, 738, 738, 739, 739, 740, 740, 741, 741, 742, 742, 743, 743, 744, 744. 745, 745. 746, 746. 747, 747. 748, 748. 749, 749. 750, 750. Okay, boys. So this is the counting in numbers, and you will write in the notebook and also read more than one time. Now this is the table of 8 and this is the revision. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now read with me. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 46, 48, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, 8 tens are 80. Okay, boys. So write this table in your notebook and then learn, memorize it, and then again write. Okay. Now your homework, page number 138, do in the book, and you also use your notebook to find the answer. I mean, you need subtraction from the 70, subtraction from the 100, and you will do the this practice work in your notebook. And now counting in numbers, make this one write in your notebook, and also table of 8 also you write in your notebook. Okay, and also the tables are very important, and also memorize it, and also revise all the table from from 2 to 8. Okay, boys, I hope you understood. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video. Stay at home, don't go outside, and take care, and Allah Hafiz.